Hello and welcome to my new video. In this video I will talk about memory on Ledger Nano S and Ledger Nano X. Okay, as you can see, I am now inside my Ledger Live app and I have connected Ledger Nano S. You can see how little memory I have and only 4 installed apps. Okay, now I will connect my Ledger Nano X and you will see how much memory I have there. This is not true when you see some ads about Ledger Nano X about unlimited storage and unlimited apps. This is not true. You will see how much memory you will have if you buy Ledger Nano X. Okay, now I will stop the video and connect my Ledger. Hello again. Now you can see that I have connected my Ledger Nano X and you can see how much memory I have. With Ledger Nano S you will have less than 150 kilobytes and with Ledger Nano X you will have almost 2 megabytes, you can see. And there inside Ledger Nano S I have installed only 4 apps and you can see here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 apps and you can see I only used 500 kilobytes. Okay, this is great. Also inside my blog webtrafficsolution.org you can find many useful posts about crypto, okay, about crypto.com, about Ledger Live account, about hardware wallet tips, about how to protect MetaMask, how to get flash loan in crypto from scratch, how to trade anonymously. This is very important. And soon I will also make a new post, full review about Ledger Nano X. Okay. And that is it. I will enter my affiliate link for buying hardware wallets from official web store in France, and of course I will enter my blog address if you are interested for crypto and traffic tips. Thank you for watching. Bye.